We all know that being a mom is no easy task, but here's the thing. Welcome back to all the moms out there. Today I'm going to share ways to be a super mom without all the pressure. So let's dive in. Accept that you're allowed to make mistakes. Even if parenting came with an instruction guide, there would still be 100 things you'd be doing wrong because there's nothing that's tailor made or uniform about having and raising kids. Your struggles and challenges are your own to tackle, but as long as the solutions you follow are beneficial for your child and family and make you happy too, well, then that's all that should matter. At times, you may be stuck at a dead end and may not know what to do, and that's okay. You're going to figure it out one way or the other, so don't lose heart. So, don't compare yourself to other moms or try to be perfect in every aspect. Do accept that it's normal to make mistakes and learn from them. Relax and indulge in some me time. You probably don't have 2 hours in a day to take out for yourself, but 10 minutes to half an hour to take a breath should be doable. Consciously make the effort to give yourself that break and also communicate to your partner and other family members that you need that time just to unwind. Spending a mere 5% of your day in doing something you like and other than focusing on your parenting duties can make you feel refreshed and get back to your responsibilities with more josh. Also, it's equally important for your kids to see and learn from you that self-care is important. So, do make time for activities that recharge you and don't neglect your own needs and well being. Get organized. A lot of times, immense stress sets in when there are 25 things to do in a 24-hour day and you cannot plan them out properly. Breathe and pull out a planner or a journal. Chalk out timetables, to-do list, things on priority and things you can postpone, and work out your commitments with a plan in mind. Take your partner's help wherever needed. After all, every super mom needs the support of a super dad too. Also, if you find that if you have too much on your plate to handle, learn to say no. Again, you may be a mom, but you are also a human. Meeting everyone's requirements shouldn't be your concern, not when you have your own things to handle. So, establish a routine and schedule for yourself and your child. Utilize the time you're most productive. It's also important to identify the time of the day when you're most productive and can do your best with any task given to you. For some, it may be during the day when the baby is asleep for a while or the kids are at school. For some, it could be at night. Utilize this time whenever it may be to get your most difficult tasks done so that you have the rest of the day to spend on simple things and to make time for your little ones. So don't waste your peak productive hours on low priority tasks. Observe and determine when you feel most alert, focused, and energized. Change your way of thinking. You're often your own enemy and you are an expert at beating yourself up over not doing enough. How can you expect others not to judge you when you're constantly judging yourself for the choices you make? It's important to realize that people are going to talk and voice out their opinions constantly, but that's because they haven't been in your shoes. If you think going back to work right after having a baby is important because your financial situations and your ambitions demand so, then you shouldn't have to answer to anyone regarding your choice. In case you feel like you are a bad mom for abandoning your child for hours together, try thinking along the lines of I am a good mother because I am setting an example for my children to pursue their career or to step up and take responsibilities when needed. So don't beat yourself over mistakes or setbacks. Ask for help. You don't have to carry all the burdens of parenthood on your shoulder. If your children are lucky enough to be loved and surrounded by their relatives and your friends who enjoy pampering them, then by all means ask for help when you need it. Even if it's little things like picking up them from school or helping out with their homework, sometimes you may fall short of time or energy to commit yourself. But if there are people willing to help you out in these matters, do not hesitate to take it and be grateful for it. It will teach your children that even the most powerful people they know need some help and support to get. So don't hesitate to ask for assistance when you need it, and do involve your partner, family, or friends in sharing responsibilities. Be there for your kid. At the end of the day, being a wonderful mom comes down to one thing: being there for your kids. They need to know that you are there for them no matter what happens, and that they take over everything else in your life. They shouldn't have to think twice about coming to you for help or to talk or simply spend time with you. So, busy as you may be, make sure that your children never feel that you are too busy for them. As long as your babies know that your arms are always wide open for a big hug, or that your shoulders are there for them to lean on, well, that's what being a supportive, caring mom is all about. So, don't let the busyness of life overshadow the importance of love and connection, and do prioritize building a strong emotional bond with your child. I can assure you that you are always going to be considered a super mom and a super mom by your kids. Isn't that what truly matters? Do comment below your struggles as a mom. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any updates. Thank you for watching.